I want to right now bring to our viewers' attention another important detail, another lapse of sort which should be pointed out. Now, on each and every match day, this is something that I have learned by speaking to multiple KSEA officials, staff members who work here, and police officials as well. There are a lot of paramedical staff, medical staff who are posted here. This is a medical command center that you're looking at. This is right at the main entry gate. Yesterday, this was not operational. There are, personnel, medical staff stationed at each and every stand who have first aid and other medical equipment that is with them to ensure that if anybody is injured, support is given to them. Yesterday, that was missing. I'm going to this was, of course, open. There is no lock on this. So I'm assuming there are people, of course, who went inside. You can see a lot of things strewn here. People were looking for water because they didn't have that facility again made available, is what I'm learning from the staff members here who are not, of course, willing to come on record. I'm going to ask Govind there to come. Those are all ice packs. People injured, grabbing hold of the ice packs which were available in these fridges, and you can see them thrown all over. Why ice packs? Is because most of them sustained bruises. They got squeezed really while trying to make their way inside. There is also here you can see a handkerchief full of blood. I'm not going to, of course, zoom too much into that right now, but these are indicators that people needed help. But this being a medical command center which was supposed to provide help to the people with medical staff, trained medical staff available, they, however, were missing. People left to fend for themselves. Another important aspect that I'm learning from the staff that I spoke to here is that even the police that were posted outside the Chinnaswamy Stadium were not as much as on a match day. Now, on a match day, there are 35,000 people, according to the official count, that would turn up, or a little more. Yesterday, easily the number was way, way above. That means you needed the policemen as well to be much larger in number. Yesterday they weren't. Why? Because there were two different events happening. Most of the VIPs were at the Vidhan Sauda, including the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, the Governor, the players first were heading there. So the entire police force got divided. There were no basic facilities such as water made available at every point. People were getting dehydrated waiting for several hours. People were struggling on various counts. But right now, everyone seems to be washing their hands off by saying that the crowds exceeded their expectations. For the 11 people who've lost their lives, for their families, for the families of those who are injured, who is going to be held accountable is the big question that comes up.